So you want to make a ice bridge a bit like the ones in Hypixel. Here's how you do it. For this you need 2 command blocks, a comparator, repeater, redstone dust, and a item. I'm using wind charges just because I like how they're able to go perfectly straight at times. There are 2 commands. One of them is going to be repeating, unconditional, always active. The other is impulse, unconditional, and needs redstone. Here are the 2 commands and what they mean. So this is the repeating command block. It says /execute at e bracket type equal wind underscore charge underscore projectile. This means the command that we will be doing later is going to be executed at a wind charge projectile. Quick note, the thing called breeze wind charge projectile is a lot different. Type equal breeze wind charge projectile. This means any wind charge projectile that is shot out by the new enemy called a breeze. But a normal wind charge projectile is the throwable kind. So make sure that you just do wind underscore charge underscore projectile just like I did. Then you do closing bracket, space. Now we need to go and make the actual platform. For this, I just chose a 3x3 grid around the wind charge. So I did tilde1, tilde -1, tilde1. When you have this, you will already be able to throw your projectile, except it will already start going really far. That is what the redstone is for. This is a comparator, toggled off. You can add ticks to this if you want, I don't. So you just do this. Let's say the command block's facing this way. We will do comparator in front, then repeater, redstone, really any direction, as long as it will reach this command block. You want this to take a fair amount of time. As you can see, I set this to 4 ticks, or whatever it is. You do want this to take a bit of time. Inside this command block, we're going to be killing the wind charge projectile. This just allows us to go and control the amount of blocks or the distance this projectile will travel. If we make this longer, I'll make this a lot longer, then instead of our bridge going starting here and ending there, now it is able to go until it blows itself up. I'm going to put this back. That is how you change the duration of this projectile. Once again, the command is just a /kill command. It goes to the entity that is the wind charge projectile. Once again, make sure this isn't breeze wind charge projectile, because that is a completely different type of item in the game's mind. Now you may be wondering, am I able to make a bridge beneath me but without throwing it, so that it auto-generates beneath me? And if you're wondering, you can, and here's how you do it. Just click on this video on screen right now, maybe even watch the playlist to see some other nice Minecraft content. It's all related to command blocks. Have a nice day.